So my garage is a mess, but I kind of wanted to show how my tools are. I got these. I got my engine stuff. Lug nuts. Lots of lug nuts. I don't know why. Clampy and pinchy and miscellaneous. I really like these. These are sealing washers. I use them on like hard lines, banjo bolts, and stuff like that. Whatever I need a sealing washer for. Instead of copper, I use these. And stuff. Spring. Miscellaneous. And oh, these are really hard to find. They're for the FD steering column. And we got this stuff over here. Quick grabs. Wiring. And over here, anytime I ever took apart an RX7, miscellaneous bolts went here. So there's a lot of good stuff in here, mostly FC stuff. Miscellaneous. Air tools. I've probably had these for over 15 years. Bodywork stuff. More bodywork stuff, masking, whatnot. Random stuff. Ooh, this is cool. And Turbo 2 Turbo 2 transmission.